Imagine waking up every single morning feeling like you're running a marathon with a 100-pound weight chained to your back. That's exactly what crushing debt feels like for millions of hardworking students, professionals, and early career earners across the US and Europe. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to break those chains and finally run free. Let me introduce you to David, a regular middle-class professional who did everything right, got a decent job, earned a stable income, but still found himself trapped, watching his paycheck disappear into student loans, credit card minimums, and an expensive car payment, stuck in a system where banks quietly profited from his effort while inflation slowly drained whatever little he had left. And the worst part? He felt like there was no escape. But everything changed the day David made one brutally honest decision. He sat down, faced his numbers, and wrote down every single debt he owed. And instead of chasing perfection, he chose momentum by using the debt snowball method, attacking his smallest balances first, gaining quick wins that rewired his mindset from helpless to in control. One by one, those small victories turned into powerful momentum, and as each debt disappeared, his confidence grew, his cash flow improved, and he redirected that freed-up money toward his high-interest debts, cutting off the very system that was bleeding him dry. This isn't about giving up your life or living miserably. It's about understanding one simple truth. Every dollar of debt is a piece of your future you've already sold with interest, and the longer you wait, the more expensive your freedom becomes. But when you flip the script, when you start eliminating debt and redirecting your money, you stop working for money and you make money start working for you. Instead of paying interest, you begin earning it through smart long-term investments like index funds, where compounding finally starts building your future instead of destroying it. Yes, it takes discipline, it takes sacrifice, and it takes the courage to say no in a world designed to make you spend. But the reward is priceless. Peace of mind, control over your life, and a future where you are no longer owned by your past decisions. You have the power, starting today, to rewrite your financial story, from stressed borrower to confident wealth builder. And it begins with one simple step. List your debts, create a ruthless plan, and attack that first balance with everything you've got. And if David's story felt like your story, then don't just watch, take action. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and share this with someone who needs this wake-up call. Because together, we're building a generation that refuses to stay trapped in debt and chooses financial freedom instead.